Ready to ditch the credit card drama and fuel your Valorant obsession with your debit card. Let's get you buying those Valorant points. Alright, first things first, boot up Valorant and make sure you're logged into your account. You know, the one where you're destined to hit Radiant. Now, head on over to the Valorant Store. It's that big button that probably taunts you every time you log in. See that VP symbol with the plus sign? Click it. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a bunch of different VP packages with their prices. Choose the one that fits your budget and your skin cravings. Now, pay attention. This is crucial. When the payment methods pop up, instead of hitting credit card, look for the debit card or Visa debit option. It might be listed under credit card as a sub-option or as its own category. Select it. Next, you'll be asked to enter your debit card details. Carefully type in your card number, the expiration date, and that 3-digit CVV code on the back of your card. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Almost there. You'll likely need to enter your billing address, so fill out the information accurately. Make sure it matches the address associated with your debit card. Finally, review your order one last time to make sure you've selected the right VP package and that all the information is correct. Then, hit that purchase or confirm button. And boom, your VP should be added to your account instantly. Now go treat yourself to that sweet new skin and dominate the competition. Good luck and have fun.